Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don assure people of Edo State and athletes say adequate security go dey for the 10-kilometer OKPEKPE road race wey go shele on Saturday 27th May 2023. Oga Shaibu talk this one for one talk with Tori people for Government House as them dey make plans and preparations for the 9th edition of the OKPEKPE road race wey go shele for OKPEKPE town, Esako East local government area of Edo State. Shaibu consti talk say im dey happy sake of say dem keep the OKPEKPE road race alive and say dem don carry the race go beyond as dem don involve students sake of say sports go sharpen their knowledge, physical ability and reduce social vices for the society.
I'm delighted and happy that we have kept OKPEKPE race alive. And our target, we are almost there. We are not there yet, but our target, we are getting closer and closer. And the games are becoming better, stronger, and more popular in the entire world as far as road races is concerned. Our target is to get to diamond. And when we got to silver, it was difficult. It was as if it was not going to come again when COVID broke out. But we are excited and happy that after COVID-19, we were able to bounce back. This year's race will be running on the golden platform. We are now gold labeled. This year's product is clear. We're going beyond just races. We are now going to be involving students on how to organize and manage events. And for me, it's one of those learning and it's one of those diversification that we are talking. Sports, you can achieve everything you want to achieve with sport. And you can deal with social vices with sport. You can make people understand why you must do certain things positively with sport. And sport is the only thing you can do that can sharpen your rising, can sharpen your knowledge, can sharpen your physical and mental stability.
Shaibu can assure the people of Edo State and athletes say the state dey safe as the Obaseki-led administration don reduce the security challenges for the state to the barest minimum and say dem put adequate security measures for ground. E consti talk say im dey run for the race but not be for the prize, say na for cause and that cause na cancer, and say im dey encourage those wey no fit run for a prize to run for a cause, either HIV or cancer.
Beyond those that will be running this year for the prize, we're also having those that will be running for a cause. This year, it's either you are running for HIV or you are running for cancer. Interestingly, I have, on the 1st of May this year, I've gotten my response from my registration. I've registered and I'm running for a cause. I'm running to create public awareness on cancer. And I will encourage others that will not be running for the prize to also come and run for a cause. And when you run for a cause, you are not only praying about it, you are also supporting those that are already victims of this cause so that they can get out of it. I want to thank the organizers of the OKPEKPE race for keeping faith. And we as government will continue to partner with Pamuzi to make sure that this race we live to the name and to the bidding that we want it to be. We want to get to the apex of road races in the world, and by the grace of God, we'll get there. And for the locals, I can assure us that Edo is safe, and the issue of insecurity is not as alarming as people think in Edo State. We have been able to reduce the issue of kidnapping to the best, lowest level. There are still, it's like guerrilla warfare, pockets of this thing which we cannot put aside. But I can assure you that we'll put adequate security in place from when they land at the airport. Even some of them, they want to stay back before they go. We'll put adequate security. And I can assure you that we'll be on top of our game. Security is something that I will not tell you what we'll be doing to make those things work. But I can assure you that we can. Edo will not only be safe for the athletes, but it will even be safe for all of us that live here.
Chairman sports marketing organizer Mike Itamuagbor con talk say this year 2023 OKPEKPE road race go run on gold label as the race don go international. E consti talk say dem don add few innovations join this year race as dem go partner with Edo University where about 200 students go work as volunteer for the game for the area of accommodations, medicals and mass communication.
First and foremost, I want to say I'm not the owner of the race. the race belongs to all of us. I want to thank His Excellency, who I'm happy that I made a speech before him. He would have called me bros. So, but I take the position as Your Excellency, well done. We are a bit not too prepared for this press conference because you don't see our backdrop. Those are the questions he was throwing us. But I'm sure we gave him a good excuse. I want to thank all of you once again that 2023 OKPEKPE road race is going to hold. That's on 27th of May. And this time we are going to do the race as a good level race. It's a race that you all know we started it like a joke. But like I said last year, the race has really gone beyond all of us. Even the international pressure is even much more than the pressures we get locally. We have technical partners now, some are based in Dubai, Netherlands, and South Africa. They every day are still innovating on how best they will do for this race. Particularly the fact that they see it as a community-based event that touches the life of young people, both born and unborn, that help to shape the life of the younger ones. Some of them would think that the white man is different from the black man. Some of them would think that some people out there are better than them. No, they've come to see that the race is better. This year's race is going to be a few innovations will come in because it's a more serious race. We have had a pre-discussion early enough now with the police authorities and with the road safety corps and the DSS. Maybe you want to ask questions after, they can review what they're doing, and that's why we've involved them in this meeting today.
The director of organization, Zach Amudu, talk say athletes go come from 10 different countries and them go enter Nigeria by 23rd of May 2023 and say their accreditation partners they come from Dubai and Netherlands as them don't get new software devices for accreditation of athletes for the game to reduce cheating.
May Saturday. Following that date, the elite athletes were expecting from over 10 different countries this year. More numbers, and specifically there's one athlete that is the best, about the best time having 10 kilometers this year in the local road race. We want to see if he can come to break our own course. They want to see how very good he is. But for now, that's almost about the best. He will be attending the race this year. The elites will be coming in all to Lagos, into Lagos on the 23rd. That's Wednesday. In Tuesday, 23rd of May, and the next day, 24th, they will all move to Auchi. So this year, they're going to have, unlike other years, they're going to have 3 full days in Auchi. Auchi, or versus Korea. So that we plan to make them know more about the environment this year. So we're going to be doing all those planning later. Before the race. So we'll have them in 3 days. So they come in on the 24th, they leave on the 28th. Now, what is new again this year is about accreditation. We have gotten our foreign partners who he mentioned, they're coming from Dubai, Netherlands. They are going to be anchoring the accreditation exercise only this year. There's a special software for that. That software is such that when you are captured, if you don't have your running beat and the chip, you will not be recognized as a runner. So I'm saying this so that you help us publicize it so that people come for this accreditation. They will be in on the 22nd Monday that week. So we'll have about 5 days for accreditation, registration. So what is new is that once you are captured, you are registered accredited. You are able to, is able to download all your data, including your picture, after the race, your results and everything, you're able to print it out. So we encourage people to try to get registered this year when they are in on Monday the 22nd.
The Chairman Edo State Sports Commission Yusuf Ali talk say the OKPEKPE road race now one of the best for Nigeria and Africa, and we are very proud to be part of this race as he bring plenty honor to Nigeria.
Briefing regarding the 9th edition of one of the best road races, not only in Nigeria but in Africa. OKPEKPE road race has set the pace in Nigeria. It's a flagship when it comes to road races. And I think we all are proud to be from this part of the world, this country, Edo State, for what OKPEKPE has brought to Nigeria. Every year we see thousands of people running the race, mostly the elite runners all over the world race education. The 9th edition of OKPEKPE road race is a gold level race.
Other agencies like DSS, Road Safety and Niger Police, they're part of the committee as them go there on ground to ensure ogbonge security and free flow of traffic. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.